this video, I'm going to show you how to use the tool that I use a lot with my customers, and it's a SEER Calculator. And what this SEER Calculator does, it lets the homeowner know what the payback is going to be on the unit that they purchase. Here in the Atlanta area, most of the units we have are 2.5 to 3 ton units, and our average usage in kilowatts is around 12 to 1400 kilowatts per year. And the older units we have here, most of them are run either 8 or 10 SEER units if they're like 15, 20 years old. Believe it or not, some of them last that long. And our average kilowatt hour is around probably about 12 cents a kilowatt hour. So whenever we try to sell them a new unit, and they always ask me, what's the difference in 14 SEER, which is the minimum, versus the 20 SEER. So I open this little tool up in mine, and I show them, I say, okay, well, with the 14 SEER unit, and you operate it, we can calculate it versus the unit that you have now. You're looking at about $172 savings per year, and that's on average. Maybe a little bit more if you use it more, and a little bit less if you use it less, but that gives you a standard. Then they say, well, what if we upgrade to a 16 SEER? What is the savings per year on that? And I'll tell them, I say, well, look, it's easy enough to do. We switch it to a 16 and calculate it, and that'll pop up to $226 a year on average. So there's about, I don't know, 35, 40 bucks difference savings in a year's time, and then you can propagate that for 15 years. So if you take the current unit that's in there now operating, and you go $226 times the life of the unit, straight air units, about 15 years, you're looking at over $3,000 savings, and that's a good motivator to get them to go ahead and update if their unit's not all the way broken. And then if they checking the difference between it, if we go back to the calculator, we go back to the 14 SEER, and we say $172 savings, we can go $172 times 15 years, and that's $2,500 savings versus the 226 times 15 years. That's a $3,300 savings. So then they can decide whether if they're going to stay there 15 more years, and if it would be worth it for them to use the 16 SEER versus the 15 SEER. And it's just another tool that you can use to help aid the customer in making a decision and closing the deal while you're there. That's how I use the tool. Thanks for watching.